Today we're in the city of Irvine, Orchard Hills to be precise. We're touring this luxury community built by Toll Brothers. This particular model is called the Pinnacle and it features 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath with awesome views of the city. Let's check it out. So come on in, let's check it out. As soon as you walk in, you notice that the ceilings are very high. We got 10-foot ceilings on the first floor and 11-foot ceilings on the second floor. Downstairs features an ensuite bedroom and bath. Let's check it out. So I love that you got really high windows and the curtains go all the way up to the ceiling. It just gives that luxury vibe and kind of elevates the room a little bit more. We have the private bathroom to the left, perfect for guests or in-laws. And we also have this powder room, which is also great so that we don't have guests, walking into the bedroom. So let's talk about the upgrades that come with the home. You have the standard Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. You have these beautiful floating stairs. Every single home will come with these floating stairs. In the master bedroom, you have the floating sinks. Those come with every home with the cabinet lighting underneath. You also have the kitchen cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. Every single home in this community will come with that. Everything else, in terms of finishings, like flooring, countertops, you would have to upgrade yourself. This is actually a really cool part of the home. This, I would say, flex space. It's been staged as an office, but I love the fact that you have an option to put a glass window here so you can see through right into the great room. It adds more light. It just gives this home more luxury vibe, in my opinion. But I love this space. What would you use it for if you were to purchase this home? Let's head on over to the great area. We have the open floor concept, the oversized kitchen island, huge windows everywhere. So if you're a person who loves light, this was the perfect home for you. Okay, so as I mentioned before, the kitchen features Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances and these cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. This right there is the game changer. We also have a walk-in pantry. Difference between this Pinnacle model and the Skyline model is Pinnacle does not have a prep kitchen. One thing that sets them apart from a Skyline is a little more on the pricier side. Skyline is in the 7 millions while these are in the 5 millions. All the homes sit on a single loaded street, meaning they don't have a house in front of them. As opposed to Skyline model, those are double loaded streets. You have homes facing each other. However, those are on a much larger lot size, hence the price, and they are built on a higher elevated slope than the Pinnacle models. Essentially, both communities will get the view of either the city or the mountains. So you're getting a win-win, honestly, whether you go with the Skyline or whether you go with the Pinnacle models. So let's head on out to the dining area, the backyard. So these just have the accordion sliding doors as opposed to the Skyline that had the 90-degree doors, and it flows into the conservatory room. So let's check out the backyard. Right now it's being modeled with an infinity pool, but when you purchase, you do get a blank canvas to do whatever you want with it. This particular model sits on a 7,500 square foot lot. So you really have a good amount of space to play with. Over here, we have just another patio area with an electrical fireplace. Let's check out upstairs. So upstairs features 3 additional ensuite bedrooms plus the primary suite. Let's check out one of the bedrooms right now. So we have the space. Let's count the windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows in this room. Brilliant. You have a walk-in closet and we have a private bathroom. Let's check out the second bedroom. I feel like this one is a little bit bigger than the one we just saw. It's giving first child, first son, or first daughter will get this room. They have their own private bathroom, which is fantastic. Let's head on out to the loft area. This has the accordion sliding doors to kind of close it off for more privacy or less noise. I'm glad that we actually have the option because sometimes kids can get loud. So if they're in here playing, having a good time, we can shut this door and reduce the noise level. Let's head on over to the third bedroom and then we'll do the master bedroom last. Oh, so this is already kind of staged as the baby's room, which is cute. Also ensuite. But yeah, I love the layout of this home. Baby's room is right next to the parents' room. But before that, we have a large spacious laundry room with tons of storage space for linens and the likes. And we are in the master suite. So imagine waking up to these amazing views of the city, and literally that's what every home in this master plan will have, is views of the city. This floor plan is a little bit, I would say, mazy, but there's something really beautiful about it. And here is the walk-in closet. It's big enough for both spouses. And then one cool thing about this home is, which I haven't seen in a long time, is we have a balcony literally attached to the bedroom. So standalone tub also comes with every home in this community, plus the walk-in shower. The upgrades in the shower, like the marble tiles, those don't come with the home, but you do have standalone tub, floating cabinets. All of these come with the home when you do purchase. But yeah, so this is my favorite thing about this home, is that it has a balcony right off of the master suite. Check out this amazing view. I feel like it's more of a hideout spot, because who would look for you on a balcony beside the bathroom? So I feel like this might be like a hideout spot for mommy and daddy. Just kind of get away from the kids, get away from the noise, and enjoy the beautiful view of, Orange County. I hope you enjoyed the amazing tour of this luxury home. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful tours of luxury homes in Orange County. If you're interested in this particular home, feel free to contact me. I have all my information down in the captions below. Thanks for coming on this tour with me. This is ChiChi Achara, your Orange County Realtor.